Don't type out weekdays anymore. Use this formula to convert dates to weekdays. Double-click to fill the formula down. Change the date and watch the weekday automatically update. Stop copying web data manually. Instead, just copy the web address. Go to the Data tab. Click from Web. Paste the URL. Wait for the data to load. Select the table to load. Any changes to the web data also refreshes in this table. Stop checking boxes in Excel. There's a better way to do this. Select the cells. Go to the Insert tab. Select Checkbox. Click inside the box to check it. Select the month cell. Then, go to the Data tab and choose Data Validation. Select List and type in every month. Click the new drop-down to select January. Type in the year below the month. At the top of the calendar, type in this formula. In the first cell of the calendar, type in this formula. Select the calendar dates. Go to the Home tab. Select Conditional Formatting. Choose New Rule. Enter this formula. Change the format to white font. Now you have a fully functional and dynamic calendar. Stop adding data like this. Instead, use this function. Select the column of sales reps. Choose the criteria. Select the sales column. Drag the formula over. Don't move columns over with the spacebar. Instead, select the column. Right-click and go to Format Cells. Select Custom and enter the code ****. Now the colon locks on the right, no matter how much you stretch the column. Don't enter dates and times manually. Press Ctrl:** for the current date. Ctrl:** for the current time. Don't some comma separated values like this. Instead, some comma separated values using this trick. Double-click to copy the formula down.
If you like the video, please share the video and subscribe the channel.